Hi, Jesse Hansen here. This video I'm going to show you a simple recipe for making a very flavorful beef jerky at home using your basic dehydrator, spice and tea exchange spices, and a few ingredients from your grocer. These are the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. Also, the ingredients are listed in the video's description. Your grocer's butcher should be able to cut a slice of beef for you. Otherwise, partially freeze the cut to make slicing at home a little easier. Slices should be between 1/8 and 1/4 inch in thickness. Be sure to trim off as much excess fat as possible. Fat does not dehydrate well and will quickly spoil your jerky. Before we dehydrate the beef, we must marinate it. To make the marinade, mix all the ingredients except the beef in a sealable container. Add all the beef to the marinade one piece at a time to ensure each piece is fully covered with marinade. Seal the container and refrigerate for 12 to 24 hours. Before placing the beef on the dehydrator, remove most of the marinade by patting with paper towels. This will greatly shorten the dehydration time. When you put the beef on the dehydrator, be sure not to overlap pieces. This will cause uneven dehydration. When you're finished putting the beef on the dehydrator, you are ready to start dehydrating. Monitor the progress and, if necessary, alternate dehydrator racks for even dehydration. This batch only took about 7 hours to dehydrate. You'll know it's done when the beef turns black and tough. Rip a piece in half to see how it looks. Store in an airtight container and it should last for up to 2 months. This makes a wonderful gift for Dad or anyone who appreciates good jerky.